Hi, Mia.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Cooking some cookies.
Who are you making cookies for?
For Santa and me.
For Santa and you?
And Mommy.
What?
And Mommy for cookies.
Oh, thank you. Are you mixing it good?
Yes.
What are we making?
Cookies.
Dairy-free, nut-free cookies that Mia can eat, and so can
Santa.
Santa. Who else are you going to share with?
Santa and Mommy.
And who else? You told me that first.
Reindeers.
Are you going to give them the reindeers? Are we going to leave some for Santa tonight? Because what are you hoping for?
I hope Santa comes.
You hope Santa comes? Have you been a good girl?
Yes.
I think you've been pretty good. Why don't you tell Santa how good you've been?
It's been really good, Santa.
All right, I think he heard you. Okay, let's mix those cookies real good. Merry Christmas, honey.